How to add tokens to CoolWallet app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add tokens to CoolWallet app. To add tokens on CoolWallet app, first of all open your CoolWallet application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. You will land on this home page. Here, you'll be able to see different tokens that you have added at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll be able to locate Manage option at the right side. Tap on the Manage option and then you will be taken to this page. Here at the top right, you'll be able to locate the plus icon. Tap on the plus icon and now from here, you can select the tokens that you would like to add. Simply tap on the checkbox at the right side of it and then tap on this Add to Wallet button at the bottom. After that, wait for a while and then there you will see you have successfully added tokens to your CoolWallet app. If you want to add more tokens, simply tap on the plus icon again and from here find the token that you would like to add. You may also use the search bar at the top to find the specific token. So by following the steps, you should be able to add tokens to your CoolWallet app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.